Hello everyone, welcome back to Shulin Anubha Academy. I'm Anubha, a corporate trainer. So guys, today's topic is wrapper classes. In Java, wrapper classes are used to represent the primitive data types as objects. They are the part of java.lang package which is by default available in all of your Java applications. So what is the need of having the primitive types representation into the wrapper classes or the objects? Guys, in Java, certain features like collections, generics, object manipulations are not working on the primitive types, okay? We are requiring the representation of those primitive types into the classes or some object format. So for that we are having the wrapper classes. So guys, all your primitive types are having their corresponding wrapper classes. Like byte is having a wrapper class byte with the capital B. Short, again short is there with capital S. Int is having the wrapper class integer. Long is having the wrapper class long with capital L. Float with the float, okay, again double is having the wrapper class double with capital D. Char is having the wrapper class character. Boolean's wrapper class is boolean with capital B. So guys, how we are going to convert your objects type into the primitive types and vice versa? In Java, in the newer version especially, okay, conversion of the primitive types to its wrapper class, okay, is being done automatically and we are calling it as autoboxing. Similarly, conversion of your wrapper class object back to its primitive type also is being done automatically and we are calling it as unboxing. Okay, so guys, why we are requiring wrapper classes? It is providing us the several features. Till now we have seen that how we are converting the primitive types from one type to another, okay, using the narrowing or widening. But we can actually have the conversions between the string, which is a class in Java, and the primitive types also, okay? So for that, again, we are using certain methods which are available in the wrapper classes. Like if you are trying to convert the integer num is equal to 100 into a string, so we will be using the function integer dot toString, which is a method available for string to convert a number into the string. Vice versa, if I want to convert a string into the number, I will be using again a method which is available in a wrapper class, that is integer.parseInt. For doubles, we are having double.parseDouble and so on. Several functions are available for parsing those strings into the integer or some other primitive types, okay? But here guys, there is a restriction that we should have the compatible type, okay? If I'm trying to convert ABC into the num, okay, then it will be raising the type mismatch exception. So we should have some compatible values to be converted into the integer. Like 200, if I'm trying to convert into the integer, so that is absolutely okay. But if you are trying to convert some characters, some string literals into the number, it will be raising the exceptions for you. Again guys, wrapper classes are providing certain constants like integer dot max value, double dot min value. So what these max values and min values are giving, these are actually representing the minimum and the maximum values of the range of the values in that primitive types. Okay, so guys, here we are having certain type specific methods also for the value manipulations, parsings, for checking the conditions. Okay, like for example, we are using, like we have been provided with some character and I want to check whether that character is a letter or it is a digit or something else. Okay, so I can use several methods which are available again in the wrapper classes, like isLetter, again, which will be resulting into some boolean value. Okay, if it is a letter, it will be returning true, otherwise it will be returning me false. Okay, same way as if I want to check if a particular character is a digit or not. Okay, so again guys, these functions are very much useful, okay, for the validations, okay, where we want to check for a particular input and we want to have the type checks, okay, whether the user has input the correct fields or the correct characters or not. So guys, there are certain advantages of using your wrapper classes. It is allowing the primitive types to interact with the object-oriented features of Java. It is providing the utility methods for parsing, converting, and for manipulations of those data. Okay, it will be enabling the primitive types to be used in the collections as well as the generics classes. Okay, so guys, I will be showing these collections and the generics in with the help of an example also, and it will be simplifying the conversion between the data types, especially with your autoboxing and unboxing. But yet there are certain disadvantages also. If you are using the wrapper class, it will be coming with certain memory overhead. Okay, it will be consuming more memory compared to your primitive types because they are required to store some additional metadata about the objects, about the classes, so those extra information need to be saved. Otherwise also it will be having some performance impact because operations where it is involving the wrapper classes are slower as compared to the operations with your primitive type due to the additional overhead of the object creation as well as the garbage collection. So because of this there are certain disadvantages also, but yes, to actually use all the features of your Java, okay, all the object oriented features of your Java, we are requiring the wrapper classes. Okay guys, so this is an example of a wrapper class. So here in this program I'm trying to accumulate almost all the features of your wrapper classes. So you can see guys, here in the first line I was having one primitive type, okay, integer, which is having the value 10, and I'm trying to convert it into the integer wrapper class. This is being done automatically by Java. We are calling it as autoboxing. Then I'm just printing that value. Okay, now the next thing is I'm having the wrapper class. Okay, the object is of the double type and I'm giving the value as 15.5. now I'm trying to convert it into the primitive type, okay, and that also I am printing it here. So this is also being done automatically and we are calling it as unboxing. Okay, now guys, here I'm having one string, okay, which is 100, and I'm trying to convert it into the integer. So I'm using integer.parseInt method, okay, and after that this number, okay, this 100 string was actually represented as a number. It is working as an integer type and you can have any arithmetic operations over that data as well. Okay, so here I am using the constant values which are appearing, which are available in your wrapper classes, that is integer.max value, which will be giving you the maximum value of the range of the integer, that is 21474836447. Okay, here I am using your character methods, okay, for the value manipulations, for the validations also. Okay, let's say here the character is A and I want to check if it is a letter. If it is a letter, it will be returning true, otherwise it will be returning false to me. Okay, now I am creating an array list. Guys, array list is available in java.util package. You need to import this package before using the array list. Okay, so now we will be discussing collections in more details later on, but for the time being just trying to show you that how collections and generics are working with the wrapper classes. You cannot work with the primitive types here. Okay, so here I have created an array list of the integer type and I'm trying to add certain numbers into my array list. Okay, and here I'm using the enhance loop or your for each loop and I'm trying to iterate over those numbers and printing those numbers here as well. One more feature it is there, that I am having an integer value, trying to convert that into the string by using the toString method, which is again available in your wrapper class. So guys, I hope you like this video and the wrapper classes are clear to you. In case if any doubts are there, please leave a comment. I would be like very happy to help you out with this, and please like, share and subscribe for more related videos. Thank you so much.